Hello everyone, Buck Dumanche with Holiday Automotive Service. Today I'm going to show you how to check and change tire pressure on your vehicle. One indication that you may get on your vehicle is a low tire warning, which on this vehicle it's showing 22 PSI with a low tire indication light. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is look for your vehicle's door placard, which is going to be either on the body or on the door of the vehicle. That's going to show you what the recommended cold tire pressure is supposed to be. So on this vehicle, looks like it is supposed to be 35 PSI. So we're going to set all the tires to that. When you get to your tire, you're going to locate your valve stem. Most valve stems will have a cap on the top to expose the Schrader valve to insert the air. It looks like this tire is the culprit of the tire pressure light. It's at 22 and it's supposed to be at 35. So we're going to get that adjusted. So now we have our tire pressure set to 35, and we're going to walk around all the other tires and make sure that they're all set to where they need to be. And for most vehicle makes and models, when you adjust the tire pressure light should automatically turn off. And in the event that it doesn't, feel free to come by to Holiday Automotive. We'll be happy to help you.